Hello everybody, Suzanne Abernathy, professional organizer here, and this is my suitcase that I live out of. I thought I'd give you guys a little peek into how I pack, and it's going to be different for me than for anybody else because everybody has different things that they want with them. So my pack tends to be a little bit more gadget heavy. This is my first aid kit, and it's kind of an indulgence for me, but when you're out and you get sick and you want this stuff right away. So I have rubber gloves and a knife, which comes in handy for a lot of things. Band-aids and alcohol pads for sterilizing. This is like Tylenol cold pills and lavender. And I've got airborne back there, and then this is like all the anti-itch, anti-sting, anti-pain, this is one of those gauze bandage things, and a mask, and just anything you need. And there's the kitten who's checking it out. Anything you need for just about any type of emergency situation that you can take care of. So special appearance by Cargo the kitty, who apparently likes my first aid kit. Come on. Okay. So that's the first aid kit. And that takes up a lot of space, but I have used this a few times, and when you need it, you really need it. So this is another indulgence of mine that's probably not necessary, but it's like a fold-up duffel bag. So if I get somewhere and I have extra stuff that I want to pack or send home or something, I can do that. Kitty likes the duffel bag too. So this is kind of my catch-all gadgematics. I have like super glue, I have tools in here, I have the foldable pliers and scissors and tape and a razor blade, and these little things are really cool. These are these like headbands and a handkerchief and a pair of scissors and a cat. And all my toiletries kind of go in here. I'm down to pretty much a bar soap and a toothbrush and sunscreen. And Ziploc bags are my new best friend, so there's like a ton of them in there. So that's that. And normally I zip that up, but right now I'm just going to stick it in there. So that takes up like most of my space. And actually my clothes don't take up that much space. So I have, and these aren't completely full right now because I have to do some laundry, but this houses, I have 4 shirts that I wear, and this I have, so what I do is I wear these pants that are like stretchy, and I have these camisoles that I wear. That's my basic piece, and I sleep in that. And then on top of that, I have like decorative shirts that'll just go on top of that, and everything goes together. And then in this, the shirts go in this bag, and then the camisoles, underpants, and socks all fit in this bag. So, and the pants I keep loose in and we're having a little hand fight here. So this is packing with kittens. Way more exciting than packing without kittens, although maybe not as efficient. So that's the main bag. This stuff all fits in there pretty well. I'm kind of being sloppy about it right now. This is a cool product from REI called the Tube. Here it is. See? Whoop. The Tube toothbrush. Anyway, I can't get it to focus, but it's really cool. The toothbrush sits on the top, and there's a toothpaste thing down here that you can refill. So that like fits real easy in there. And there's a few other things, like this is a fun little thing I bought that hangs on the wall, and I can put, it's like home away from home for me. I can hang stuff in it. Oh, Kitty loves that. And what else? More Ziploc bags, and that's it. I have a couple of pairs of pants that stick right in there. Oh, and up here I've got my swimsuit and a pack towel and a sarong. Sarongs are turning out to be super useful. Like, you can use them for towels, you can use them for blankets. So yeah, that's my my fun little luggage tag here with the QR code, which is apparently the latest thing. So that's the main bag. I'll do another video on I have a detachable day pack and my purse. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this with a camo by the ferocious kitty cat. who's checking out my purse. Alright, see you later, everybody.